We've got the king of the backyard rolling out today, guys, the TMG Volunteer offset pit here. Now, this is our Texas style traditional flow smoker here. There are a couple things that sets it apart from the rest, so let's get into it. First off, just the size of this bad boy. We've got a 128 gallon smoke chamber, 1/4 inch plate on the smoke chamber, rolled just to the size we want, 52 inches long, 27.5 inches deep on the inside. Gets you a lot of cook room in here, bottom and top sliding trays. It does have a water pan shelf off to the side here as well. 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there makes for easy cleanup. We've got the mill scale finish, clear coated with a high temp clear. TMG Pitts Tell True thermometers, made in the USA, of course. Fold down stack, that is standard on every Volunteer. What's not standard is a stainless steel shelf and the off-road package, right? Those are both upgrades. Took it a step further, got the mods, upgraded wheels and tires on this rig, looks great. Come around with the firebox. 3/8 thick steel on the firebox, not gonna burn out on you. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Makes it easy to strap down. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pitts, Knoxville, Tennessee.